Anything else? Okay, I didn't even think. I just gave start streaming. Okay, am I streaming now though? Is that the real question? The YouTube studio. Oh, it doesn't show that I'm streaming content live. I am live indeed. Wait, let me check it. Let me check it. Let me see. I freaking forgot to do it. So stream to stream 2, I forgot I didn't create a playlist, I didn't do anything. I suck. I really suck. Okay. Save it. And it should project probably, I'm not sure. I don't know. Okay, let me go here though. How did I check yesterday though? I have no SP ECQS Speckles. Just a second guys, just a second guys, just a second. No, live. Is Speckles live? Yeah, it shows I am live. But it says okay, so basically it works. Good. That's all I need. So go back to here. I think I don't even need you, but I will have you for no, why not? Just why not? Okay, so I will close this tab. I need this one though, and I also need this one because these two are the where I'll get message probably. So start streaming. Where will I get my YouTube messages? I can't even see if anyone messages me there. Hey, so can I? How did I do it yesterday? Oh, because I did a create and I did a go live, but today I didn't do that, which is maybe. Oh, never mind. It's here now. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, good. So I don't need you. I do need you, which is great, I guess. So if I go here, I need to go to a live scene, and now people can see my live in Twitch. Probably that's what it was. I don't know. Too much pain, bro. Too much. Okay. Just a second. I should have done this off screen, but oh my god, this is too loud. I didn't even think. I just like nothing's bad gonna happen if I press this, and oh boy. So if I do this, okay, good. My YouTube stream works. Can I just check my please? Where's the Twitch? Okay, Twitch, and my name, and starting soon. Okay, yeah, it works good. So I really don't need to see it. I just need to do this and close this. Okay, guys, welcome to please. Okay, welcome to another stream of me building torchgod. So what is torchgod? It's a 3D but in 2-dimensional view where you have to dodge torches. It's a what is this? I don't need you, please. Thank you. It's basically a game where you have to like dodge and that's it. It's nothing much more than that. So it's just like a small project I'm creating. Maybe we can improve a lot. So for now we created like good progress. We created the torch functionalities. Now the torch will go wherever the player is, which is what I needed, and that is good. So and we also did like a lot of things. I need to increase the speed, and I also do need to do a lot of positioning, but yeah, that's like okay, we'll do that over today. So for now things are looking good. Yeah, so what I am going to do is the first thing is need to increase the speed for those. That is, oh wait, did I give the speed over here? So if I do this, that is not really gonna help me, right? Huh. That can be a problem though. Okay, so we also need to create a level, but before I do that, I need to work on the particles a bit because I am not sure how to go with this. It's gonna be a lot of pain. Oh my god, just a second guys, I'll keep it like this. Also, is my full stream there? Yeah, okay. So what I actually need to do is that so if we see the particle, it moves just like this wherever the player is, which is not what we need. We need to rotate this to wherever the player is. I mean like in whichever direction it's going. So I think I need to move the Z alone. Is it good? Yeah, so just the Z. So the Z should be in the opposite direction of whatever. So if I keep the Z over here, it will go here. But I don't need the rotation Z. I need it in the minus of whatever it's looking at. How the hell do I even do that? Okay, so let's okay, that's a lot of tabs. I will close this and I will close this. Do I need my Discord? Okay, so let's go to the code. I need to go to my Fireflame script in order to do this. Okay, so what I am going to do is that preparing solution. Okay, okay, so what I need to do is I need to, just one time, so I can do this over here. So player direction is equal to what, blah 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 blah. So this is where it's going. Okay, it keeps updating every single time, but I don't need this to work every single frame. So meaning I can do two things, either do it over here or in the update, but I don't think I need to work in update because I'm getting the current position over here. It's just like moving from here. I don't need to update my rotation over here. It's literally pointless and it consumes space. I don't want that. So I think I will do it over here. Once all this is done, I want the torch to rotate. So in the player direction. Now that is a pain. So this will take x and y and z. Wait, vector 3 works that way, right? Let me just check it. Vector 3 is actually, yeah, it has x, y, z. Player direction, yeah. So we know where the player is. What I need to do is I need to do my z rotation. Look at him, but wait, what? Oh my god, I can't. Okay, so this dot transform dot rotation rotation is equal to, I only need to change the z. So what I'm gonna do is player direction dot oh, we can't do it like this. Oh, that is a pain. Okay, you know what, ChatGPT, because I have no clue about how to proceed with this. So we just go to ChatGPT. Yeah, sure. Okay, you know what, let's copy this. Now stay logged out. So we do this. Now I want my flame fire game object to change rotation towards the player. How to do it? 25 frame can rotate for 3D. Okay. So yeah, what he's doing is transform rotation, quotidian dot look rotation of player direction. I only want to edit the Z rotation. What should I do then? So he's doing float angle, okay. Rotates only Z axis to right. So Matthew thought there is something called as what? I never heard about it. Damn, we are learning a lot again. Mathf.8and2 scripting API. So there is something called like this. So it's a public float. It takes two float values, okay. So it returns an angle in radians. So tan is y by x. Value between angle between the x-axis and a 2D vector starting and okay. I don't want any 2D vectors. It's probably saying this because I'm taking my display direction, which I don't need. Player rotation y and what? No. Player transform. How about like just take this position, but I think it will like change a little bit, so I'm not gonna do it. But there's not going to be much of thing, right? So much of a difference, to be honest. So I don't think so. But I don't think this is the one I need. Yeah, I don't think this is what I need. This is what I tried. Okay, quotidian dot Euler's angle of 0 comma 0 comma, and I need to give this. This is what I need. So this is definitely something we need. And this angle is where I need to give my negative or like opposite. So if it says plus 5, then I need to do what's opposite of plus 5. That way it will work. But how can I proceed with this? I need to really think about it. So damn. Can you guys hear that sound though? Wait, I will use my Twitch for that. Can I Twitch? Can I hear you? Twitch. Okay. That's the thing, guys. There's a huge loud sound happening near my place. Can I? Are people hearing it? Hello. Oh my god, my voice is way too low. Okay, you can't hear it though, but still, my voice is way too low. How do I fix that? So I think this is the problem. Can I like max you out for some reason? Please, performance mode, projector mode, properties. I can't even max it. Oh my god, I don't have enough power to do that. Anyways, I think I will change my mic soon, but for now we have to go with this. Anyway, so what I need to do now is to get the Z by the angle. Okay, so let me do some trial and error. So let's take this torch. Okay, so if it's going to look at my player, it's gonna be like this. Probably I'll do 180, which is not what I needed. It should be perpendicular in that case, so it's going to be 90. So wherever my player is, from that I have to add 90 if I'm not wrong, probably. Yeah, so if this Z is 0, I'm going to add a plus, but this is really not looking good. Oh my god, I think now I understand why he has X and Y. How do I proceed with this? This is actually good. This is interesting actually. So the thing is, we need to make the top one to look at wherever the player is. So if the player is here at X and Y position there, I don't want my thing to look at the 90 degree. So I need it to look at him. So I definitely need to, because these two are the only values which are changing, and I need to work with this probably. Somehow I need to link this with that in order to do it. What did it say? It says something similar. So player direction dot y. What does it do? Player direction dot y will give me like, okay, and player direction of x into, okay, actually this is what we need, I guess, but I'm not really understanding this. Like, I can't really get it. So what is getting an angle? There's a10 function, relative dot x and relative z. Oh, he is taking for y, so he's taking x and z, which I said. So as you can see in this, what I'm understanding is basically with this x and y, he's trying to figure out where we should look. So that is what a10 2 is at a10 I think. I'm not sure. So that's how it's working, which I can understand, but what is math of that? Radians to degree. God damn, I need to learn max again. It's equal to 360 by pi times 2. I read this somewhere, but I don't remember it. Yeah, this came in my degree, not gonna lie, but so it's equal to radiant into math. Okay, what it does? It's a radian to degree conversion constant, read only. Okay, so it's only converting into degrees. So this is a degree, so we are converting this one into degree and then we are giving it. Oh, because I see what they mean. I see what that means. Okay, that actually makes sense. So math of 8 and 2, what it does is gets the radians of 2 x and y or x yz or xz, whatever we need, and we will get some radians for it, and we are just converting into degree and giving it to one thing. Okay, probably. You know what? Let's try that. Okay, looks good. It looks promising. So let's just do it. Let's angel. Oh my god, angel. So this is gonna be math f dot ata. I'm not gonna just do it because this is my first time even using this, so I'm just gonna try to write it myself. So what we need is we need the player direction. Okay, player direction of the x, we have it, and we also need the player direction dot y, because these two are the things which keep moving, and we are, this is a radians and we need to convert into to degree. So math f dot rate to dig, easy. And now we are just going to give this angle to check. Now the real question starts. My z will look at my player, which is not what I need. Okay, what really happens now is, if the thing, if I understood right, this z will look at my player. Okay, let's actually test it out to see if it's true. So probably the flames will be looking down. They aren't. They aren't. They aren't. Bro, never mind. Oh shit, everything. Oh, they aren't. What? Bro, this is actually good. Oh shit, over here. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this. My boys, this is not. But it did go quite good over there. What? Why is it doing this? Kind of doing something wrong over here. What if I do a minus? You know, just for testing purpose, because when I had the logic in mind, it had to be minus. Well, check in. Well, you know, trial and error. Nothing bad is gonna happen. Okay, this is totally an abomination. Okay, this is working the way I needed. Now it's good. Just I need to reverse it, but yeah, if I need to reverse it, I need to do this. Okay, this is still something I'm not quite getting it how it's working, because it should look at the player. I thought the Z will look at the player, but Z is not looking at the player. It actually somehow makes it work the way I needed it, but how? I don't know. Okay, for now I'll just stay here. The thing is, why the flames are not changing directions? It's like, why like this? You know, I need it to go like this, but it's rather like this. Why? So radiance is doing something with that. I can just see that because it's doing something with that. But I don't need that. So this is not the right way then. What else can we do? Actually, this approach is quite good because it works for some reason. I have no idea. I think I need to see more depth into this, but yeah, I get the basic gist of what it's trying to do, but not like the full understanding of it. Okay, so What else can I do to change it? I only need to play with my Z ones. I shouldn't use my X and Y. So this is how I need to do things, but it's not working. Okay, ChatGPT, time to update you. Only rotate around Z to face the player. Doesn't have frame object forward direction is aligned with the X. Yeah, okay. If it's aligned with Y, like most Unity sprites, you can add the subtract 90. What does that do? I mean, now, probably now it works the way I wanted it. Like, I told it to look down, probably. Yeah, I think it will. The Z will be down. No, yeah. So this is what I expected when I used. So basically, it gives itself a plus 90. Oh, okay. That makes sense. But yeah, this works okay. Yes, it works good, but I am using a particle, particle, and when my character moves, the particle turns. I don't even know how to explain it to ChatGPT, man. So for instance, the flame is looking up, but as the flame moves, the tail should be set to where my flame is moving. Oh my god, I can't even understand what I wrote. Perfect, you're very close to what you want. What you're describing is inverting the directions the particle system is facing, so the tail of the flame points backwards. Okay. Fix. In your matter, simply flip the direction. I did. Oh. No, this is not. No. I don't think this is the right one. Is it? No. I know giving a minus won't work, but why not just give it a try? I'm not gonna lose anything from this, so if this is not that, I'm gonna try a total different different thing. Yeah, so this is actually, I knew this was not gonna work, but I just thought of why not try it. Now this method is kind of correct, but yeah, it's not moving the way I needed it. Wait, if I go in a straight line, will it work though? Okay, I need that. So just why are you like this, bruh? See, oh, okay, so it turns to that. Wait a second. All I need is, if I'm right, I think I found the problem. I think so, not really. Yes, if it was like this, and I just need to add something to this. Now this addition of something is gonna change every single second. I mean every single time I play more, so it's not gonna be the same. So I can't just have a fixed value. But what really happens is that it looks at the direction and something, but it's not actually adding it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to test this a lot, but what I'm going to do is, we have an amount, okay, let's just say it has like 60 or something. Let's see this. Where is it? So this has minus 78. So what I'm gonna say is, I'm gonna add, should I add? No. So I should have a minus 78 to this. No, not minus 78. So 78's half. So that's gonna be like around 34. No, 34 to 68. So 36, 36, 6, 6, 12. No, 39, 9, 18, 3, 6, 7. Yeah, oh, so 39. So what I'm gonna do is, calculator, I can't do max, man. So 38, 39, sorry, 39 plus 78 is going to give me minus 117. So if I say this is minus 117, perfect. Isn't that what I... Whoa, Where's the flame though? Where's the flame though? So okay, so I kind of have an idea to do this. So angle is good, you know, angles are good, but this won't work if it's 90. That is the problem. If I add it, it's gonna change a lot. So I need to work it accordingly. But for now, you know, there's going to be a simple method for this, but I just kind of want to just see how this works, because why not? I like to think a bit. So if all I need to do is I need to have a float angle test. You know, I know for a fact that I'm going to change this, so I'm just going to have a word like this. So this is going to be angle divided by 2. So if I divide that number, I'm going to get something. Okay, and then we are going to add angle to it. So it's according to a board mass rule, it will do the bracket off first, then it comes to the addition operator. So now I give this angle test over here and check it. Now this things works, but I don't think this will work. You know, the one with the 90 degrees, you know, I am not sure though, but I know if my player moves up, it will work. I'm 100% sure of it. Yeah, see, now it works. Okay, never mind, it's working the way I wanted it. See, now it's going the way I need it, so that's great, I guess. I mean, not bad, but will it go here? Because 90, I don't even need to do anything over here. Yeah, see, this is a problem. This happens. Wait, what really happens? So basically this is minus 136. So it's getting 90 and it's adding 45, something like that, probably. Yeah, it's actually something doing that, which is not what I needed. It was good till lower level, but as it goes here, this will become a problem. Yeah. So what can I do to avoid this thing? Because the logic I wrote there is good, it's correct. Oh, actually, it's not. I didn't check this. That won't work. So basically, I need to change my method. But if I Control D this and move this, it's going to change a lot. Oh, and I also need to like, oh god, I need to be careful with this. If I choose the wrong one, everything is dead. Okay, so this, and this. Oh no, I can't do this. Managers, we're gonna go to Torch Manager. I'm gonna log this. Now I'm gonna select all of you guys, and now I'm just gonna put it over here. So there's 20 now. Okay, so if I place, will it work in the left side though? I need to check it. I mean, yeah, it works. The thing is, it works there, but it won't work here. That's the problem. Yeah, it doesn't work. The top is working perfectly. I'm not worried about the top now, but yeah, the down is not working. So I need to add something more. So okay, going to angles. This is gonna take a bit of my brain cells, man. I mean, actually, that is literally easy way to do this. I'm just complicating this. I will just say that that's literally easy way, and I don't know, so I'm complicating it. Okay, so if I stand here and if I see this, it's 0. This is perfect. Wait, then how is it even working? So what is my player direction then? What is my player's... Dude, I don't get this. What? I actually don't get this. Oh shit, I need to do this. Okay, so he has some XY and he has something. You know what? What would be perfect is I just need to serialize this, man. I can't even see it. float angle, please. Thank you. And I can take this because I have no idea what this angle is. Also, why not, just for testing purpose, right? So as we float, we are going to say angle test as well. We're going to remove that. Okay, so now we can see both of those angles and everything, whatever the output is going to come. And am I streaming good? Okay, good. So if I go back to my Unity, if I stop it and play it again, if I press this and here, it says minus 90 degree and the angle text is going to be like this. This is not what I needed. Okay. Now this is perfect. This is actually correct. So in this case I need to use this. So when it's at minus 90 or whatever this is, it should go straight. Good. Perfect. But as my character moves up, let's keep it over here. Okay, and now this is going there. So now this is 76. For 76 it needs to do that. So what is the difference? Oh my god, this is a lot to see. So 130 and 117. This is, oh my god. You know what, I actually like this. This is getting my brain to work a lot. So I think I'm gonna do this. So what really happens is I'm getting 136 angle. Oh, this angle is now positive 90. And this is negative 76. Now the real thing is, because we have to work perfectly with this, else it's not gonna always work. Because I will be keeping it many places, so if the logic is wrong, might not work. You know what? Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. Hope you understand. Oh, bro, what? These are the things I didn't make sure. What? You know what? Angle test. Okay, you don't. I don't even mind. Oh, this is something I didn't know. Why do I need to do that way? Is it going to change something? I don't know. Let's check. So if I play, I shouldn't do it in my play more like that. Oh my god. And I'll just wait for one to come here. Okay, this is rank now. This is so wrong, bruh. The previous one worked perfectly. Okay, so basically what is, wait, I can do this, right? Now why he does it, yeah, I don't understand this. So I just want to know how it works, bro. I just need to know how it works. I mean, I can see what it's trying to say, but nah. So now tail is looking up. Yeah, see the angles. Yeah, this is what I was been worried about. So this works perfectly good, so I'm not going to touch it. Well, the thing is, this is the problem. This is also not the problem. So yeah, if I do this way, then I need to add 90 probably. But I don't want to do that. But what I am trying to do is this angle test. this works perfectly fine. Though, bro, wait a second. Yes, this is going to be y, and this is going to be x. The thing is, I don't know whether I need minus or what, but yes, plus 90. Yeah, I think maybe that was the case. Or minus 90, probably something. Okay, that is good. That's progress. Hey, why are you looking like this? Oh my god, yes, that was the reason. Oh my god. So if I just do this 90 minus f, it should work, right? Why it's going down though? I think my center is wrong, but now it's working. Yeah, now it's perfect. Both sides work good. Yeah, boy. Yeah. This is good. This is what I needed. This is exactly what I needed. Oh, so it's going to my leg, which is not what I need though. But it's a progress. It's good. It's working. That's all we need. I now get it slow. I'm getting it bit by bit. Good. Okay, I need to make that good, but for now it's good. So I don't need that angle test. We just need this. Okay, this works. Okay, that is progress. We made the light. I mean, like the torch thing goes to us, which is perfect. Now what we need is two things. One, current play position. Now I can do two things over here. If I click here, my center is going to be there, which is problem. I don't need it over there. I need it on my here, but it's even that's there. Hey, select do I empty game object and then do it probably. Just let's just say position probably. Let's move that position over here. So if I do this, that is there, but this is over here, right? I'm just curious to see if it works the same way if I move around. Now just testing. Let's test. It doesn't even move. What did I even expect? What? Wait, so my game's not even working now. Is it because I have this position? Also, please wait. Oh, why do I? Who are you though? Oh, it worked for him probably. I'm just testing to see if things go good. Wait. Oh, no. What is that? Don't the... It should also move. What? Am I wrong with this? So if you're telling me if I do create an empty over here, and if I move that over here, and then if I play, that will work? It works. So we need to do this then. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a this as I don't know whether that's the right name to keep for it, but yeah, that will do, I guess. shit, no. My lips hurt, oh my god. So if I play, they should come to my chest. I'm not wrong. Okay, yeah, they are going there. Are they gonna come here then? I also need to increase the speed for this, man. Okay, yeah, good. Perfect, it works good. Nice, nice. Also, can you guys get into a empty pattern, please? Because it's too messy and my eyes hurt. But wait, let me just check if it still works. Sometimes it does an error. Of course, I will remove them all and then again I will replace it later. But fine, this is just like for now it's like a testing purpose, so I'm not going to be too worried about it. Okay, now that's done. The next thing is before I set up the level, I need to do another thing, which is collision. I need to have 3 options. Wait, do I have a death animation though? Or do I even need a death animation though? Animations, gathering, movement, combat, buff. Oh, we do have, right? Brink. Okay, nice. I'm also probably thinking of doing this multiplayer, but for now I'm gonna just create, like, if I am, that's my plan, then I'm gonna create a single player mode with easy, medium and hard, and give it as a demo for free to people and see how it goes. If people many love it, I'll just even do the multiplayer for free, because why not? It's easy, bro. It's easy projects. Okay, so we get it, things are working good, and what I need to do now is make collision. So where is my player? I need to go to my player character. Do I have the script over here? No, I have the script over here. Now I can work here, which will be messed, will be so messy. And he has a collider, so I have to. Oh, I need to wait. I need to work with this collider a bit. But you know what? For testing, I'll keep it big. It's actually way too big. It's not gonna be easy for play. But it's fine. It's just a game. It's fine. Also, I need to increase the movement speed. And also, I'll just say there will be more than 100 torches. It's not going to be like 20 torches. It's going to be 100 torches. That's like the hard mode, because you have to dodge at least 95 of those. I mean, no, 95 at least to win. You can if you do 95, you win. So if it's 100, you have only 5 chances to miss them. But if I create a health bar, I can do an upgrade system where every time you play, the more I can do a thing like coin system, where the time you spend in a level as well as how many torches you dodged will give you the coins accordingly. Yeah, that's something I was planning. So that's something nice. We can have a shop. But if I do that shop, how the hell will I connect it with the multiplayer? I have no idea. Yeah, you know I have access to collab cam. What does it even mean? A stream has disconnected, attempting to reconnect it. What? Oh my god, I don't know how Twitch works. You know what? Am I live now? No, just don't. Thank you. I don't even understand this, bruh. Updating settings first, start video transfer. Now it's streaming. What? Bruh. It's a scam. Okay, anyways. So for now, I need to create the upgrade system separately. So that's the thing. That's a different thing. So that will give us a multiplayer grind at least for a bit. So that is okay. That is something. What I am really looking for is for now I need to create some way to play today. So for now we are just looking at single player. So we need a player. Where is god damn it. But do I really need to use this script though? That's what I heard my own voice somehow. What the hell? Oh, that's a lot to think. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna get a drink and come. Just a second, guys. Okay, I am back. Oh my god, now it feels good. Okay. Okay, so what I can do now is just if it hits the collider, do something. Now this has all the player movement and stuff, so I really don't want to mess with this. So let this be a player, okay? I think player movement. I am thinking of creating a player manager, but I don't want to name it as manager though. What I'm really thinking is how to name it. I really don't think I'm not thinking about like the code right now because I know for a fact I can go with it easily. It's easy, just get the collider. If it collides with it, just do a minus health or something. That is actually easy. But what should I name it? So let's do player stats, maybe. Player functions, no. You know what? I'm gonna do player stats because I can't think of anything and it's taking too much time. And we do player stats, okay. And what I'm going to do is here is where my capsule collider is, so I have to set that over here. Now what I am going to do is go to this script, remove all this, and we are going to do a serialize field. This is not going to be a public one though. It's going to be private though. What we're going to do is capsule collider, player collider. Okay, now void at start. What I need you to do is stat setup. Oh god, void stat setup. Okay, let's create this function. We call this over here to make it look good. Okay, so what I am going to do now though is first set this thing, set the capsule collider. So player capsule player capsule collider is equal to get component player capsule collider. Okay, let's first check whether that works. I know it works, but still I want to check it. So if I come here, yeah, we got the human character. Okay, now we have the capsule collider. What I need is, let's give this guy a player tag. Okay, great. So if I can use on trigger enter to see if this particle gets in, but what another thing I'm thinking is, should I create a collider for this? Because I never really worked much with particles, which is kind of I need to cover this then. Okay, see what I'm gonna do is I'm gone now. Why am I saying that? I'm going to. Okay, you know that doesn't matter at all. That's big. Way big. That's why it's not 0, 0. We do it 1, we do it 0.5, 0.2, 0.3. We're gonna move this up a bit. I mean, it's alright. I can make it even a bit more small, but for now, I think that will do. Not going for the perfect center, but I think it's gonna be 2 though. No, yeah, 2 is good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna update everything. Now, if I play it, let's see how it goes. Looks good to me. But the see, okay. I'm sorry. Oh, this is another problem. Excuse me, particles do that? I didn't know that. Oh, particles do have those? Well, if particle has those, I don't even need a sphere collider. So in that case, what should I do? Is there anything I can work with? So let's see. Loop, star, blah 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 blah, star, gravity, scale, delta, max particles, auto random speed, emission, shape. Will it be in shape? No. Velocity, force, color, size, rotation, external forces, noise, collision. And again, I'll just test with this one. Though it's not gonna work. Okay, that is triggers. Okay, so I think I need to work with this if I'm gonna go with. See. So there are 2 things. There's collision and there are triggers. When to use when is a real good question. Which I don't have the answer. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT what it thinks. You know what? I don't need this anymore. I have a particle. When it hits my player, I need to do something. How to do this? That's it. Use no. I don't want to. No. Use particle system. Yes. Okay, so you say what are these? Plane, world, mode 3D. Oh, are you having is anything happening to you? No, good. Collision quality high. Collision with everything? No. Oh, this is where I need to do this. I can't give a layer for it because it's gonna collide with 2 things. One is with the player, another with the wall. Because I don't want to create infinite things and it goes, or maybe if it leaves the player side, no, that won't be good, right? I think I can, that would be better. Or maybe move it a bit and then destroy it. But I don't think destroying is actually good, so I mean, actually I'm going to destroy it, but yeah, whatever. Oh, this is, I can select multiple things, so I can give 2 layers. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm a dumb idiot though, not gonna lie. We just had a player layer for this. Okay, I can go here. Where is it? I can give for now player and remove everything. Okay, so now if it hits a player, we know it. And what I'm gonna do is player max collision shape. What the hell are these? I don't know. You know what? Test it. Why we think a lot. Before testing though, Oh, since I had spear collider, it all went through it, I guess. Probably that was the reason. Okay, I'm just gonna override this. I'm gonna look at my torch. But how do I know that once it's collision, it has to destroy? How do I do that though? Yeah, I saw a word kill somewhere. I'm not sure whether I saw it. Multiple collision particles send collision. You know what? Send it. Why not? Radius blah blah bounces. Okay. Tell me to do it world. It's a 3D. Okay. No, please. Okay. Let's see how it goes. So only this one will send the message though. I need to be aware of it. Really need to speed this up. Okay, it's going. It is going. I didn't get any message. I really didn't get any message. Does it work that way? I don't know. So it's telling like enable collision module in particle system. Done. Add a script on particle. Oh, we need to do this. But what does this even mean? Okay, I know these things. So type is world, send collision message checked. Adjust damn. No, I don't need those things. So what he needs is having a collision. So on particle collision, if other tag is player, depict a lock. But if I am doing this, what does this do? What this does? Is this linked with the code? Because I don't think so. Great question. Yes, send collision message in a particle system module is directly linked with the method in your script. When enabled, Unity will automatically call on particle system game object on the game object that owns the particle system every time a particle collides with the another gamer. So yes, the auction activates the okay, without send, Unity still process physics collisions of particles if enabled, but the script will not receive any collision notifications. The meta will never be. Oh, though, is it though? I want to check it. I want to check it. Sorry, bro. I don't trust you. I want to check it. So I can actually use this flame thing. So what I'm gonna do is on particle collision, if other dot comparo tag is nothing but that's wrong. If it is player, I'm gonna do something. Testing, bro. Testing. Okay. Now what I can do is probably ts2 everything. And what I'm gonna do is go to and turn this off. Okay, going to touch. Yeah, no, not that one. Sorry, override and apply all. If I play, I shouldn't get any console because that's what you said. If I had it not ticked. So you didn't lie. Damn, ChatGPT doesn't lie, my guys. So if I do collisions in message, if I go here, apply all, if I play, I need to get the message, right? Let's see. I mean, I still don't get it. What? Ah, because I am stupid again. Oh, I have a player. What? I was not stupid. I think I messed up something. What? On particle collision, yeah. I'm just checking it and I'm debugging it. Correct. But why it's not working for me? Am I doing something wrong? Probably. So it has. This is where the script is, and I have the send messages on. Collides with player. What happens if I do? No, everything doesn't work actually. So I mean, it doesn't matter. So if I play it again, let's see. I mean, it definitely collides with player. So what? Bro, I can easily do this with the spear collider, but oh my god, that sound! Oh, that scared me. Oh, now it's working. What? And what the sound was? Holy, that sound! That actually scared a lot. Let me check what that sound was. Oh my god, it was so loud. I was like, it was so quiet, and suddenly that was a Twitch sound. Wait, I'm investigating, guys. Just a second. Twitch. Wait, I don't get anything. What was that sound then? Oh my god, my mobile notes. Things are not looking good for me, guys. And Speckles, did I get what? What was that? At least tell me what it was, because that sound literally scared me. Is it like nothing? And they were like, you know what? You are like too focused, so we just thought of jump scaring you. Probably. Bro, I have no idea what it was, but I'm damn sure I got that sound. Oh, I'm scared. I'm just kidding. Anyways, wait, what does refresh chat does? Nothing. Oh, he's just connecting to chat. Welcome to chat room. Ha. Okay. So it's actually nothing, right? Or should I be? Is it something I need to consider? It's my concern, because I can't see anything in this. Okay, just a second. I'll be back. Okay, I am back. I'm not sure what the sound was, but yeah, it was from Twitch, that's for sure. But I can't see anything. Am I doing something wrong? Probably. But damn, that sound, damn. I got scared a bit, not gonna lie. Okay, anyways. What the hell did just happen? Why did I get all of a sudden this much messages? What? Bro, how can I be this dumb? Wait a second. I have collision on for this, but not for this. Why? I mean, I have on. What? What am I even saying? It's on. Yeah, it's on. What? Then why is that? Bruh. Okay. It should probably then work now, probably. Okay, who's gonna come first? Okay, you both are coming first. Good. So, there is collision on. There is send messages. And this also has where is the collision? Collision is on. And send messages. Good. Why? Why it's not working? But all of a sudden, from nowhere, it sends millions of messages. Okay, I'm just gonna check. Is this the no? This is not the problem. Do I know at least from which one I'm getting this? Or is this like too late or something? Because what? I mean, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 49 messages, meaning it's happening multiple times even from one thing. So, because there's just like 20 or something in my scene. Yeah, 20 torches total. So I'm not sure why this happens. But all I know is one thing. This is not what I needed. It's not even working the way I max skill speed. What is that? Radius scale, enable dynamic colliders, max collider shapes, multiple by collision angle. Why do I need that? Now, why do I need that? I'm just, seeing if whatever works. I'm not like, I'm just testing things. So, or I might know what is the problem. No. Is it because I'm just gonna test, but I think this will fall down then. Yeah, right? Yeah, it will fall down. So this is not what I need to do. See, I know. I can give a spear collider. I can give it a. I can set the trigger to on. If it hits, just destroy the game object and reduce its life. Easy as it is. Wait, I'm getting. He. Okay, sorry, I was distracted a bit. Okay. The thing is, what? I mean, just tell me at least when that's happening or why it's happening, because I said collide with player, none has collide with player other than this guy. What if I do everything? Are you like going to even work if it hits here? Not sure. No, you're not working. You're not doing anything. It's working all of a sudden, it's not working all of a sudden. I don't understand this. Bro, what is even happening? It's not even working anymore. What? You know what? Simple as it is. I can just use. I can literally use it. Okay, what if I do triggers then? What if I do triggers? No, I'm not really going to triggers. Okay. What is this? Enable tools. Scene tools. Visualize bounds. Okay. Like, what? Is it like only that? If that hits, it's working? Okay, it's 106. Oh, damn. Okay, this is definitely not what I need. Wait a second. Okay. Oh, these are not having the collision on. Why? Oh, bro. Everything. Okay, bro. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb, bro. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. Okay, I see the problem now. So it's not about this collision. I can't even see the collision. It's that I gave the collision somewhere over here as well. Probably. Okay, that actually makes sense. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is go pause it. There's nothing to override. So if I do this now it will work, but this is not what I needed. But I understood what I need to do though. Just shut up, create a spear collider, go with it. Because what it tries to do is every single thing has its own collider, so yeah. Yeah. Yeah, now it works. Now it works. Good. Yeah. But this is not what I need, because what happening is it's not taking this collision. It's taking, oh, it is taking that collision. Yeah, if you see this, it's taking these many collisions which I don't need. You see? So this will give a lot of bugs, or like, what? I didn't even touch it, yet I died. Those type of things which we don't need. This is actually, I mean, like, yeah, so if you just even try to jump and go there, you'll still die. So we can't use this collision. But yeah, now I see what it means. So we need to turn this off. And okay, we need to first get off the play mode. Turn this off. Apply to everything. Great. Now we're gonna click this torch. Open it. We are not going to touch the torch fire. We are not even going to do this. Not this, not this, not this. Maybe this. What happens if I do collision? If I do world, why is it over there? Okay, so basically this, see, the thing is, having multiple particles, it's the problem is this, you can't have the collision like that, because if I even dodge the main one and if I go back, there will still be a particle alive, and if I touch it, it still counts as I got hit. So that will give a bad gameplay thing. So the best method I can think of is to do this one. This is literally the best one. I going to do is 0.2. I'm going to do this as 0.5. That is not what the frick. Oh god, that's wrong. Okay, I need to do this. Nah. This is 2. This is 0. This is 0.5. Oh, sorry, 0.2. 0.5 is too big. Yeah, so now we can have this collider. We need to give this trigger is true, and now on trigger function. That's it. Simple as that. I know this is like the simplest one, but I just thought, what, there is a collider. Oh damn, I will check it out. Why not? Because I'm an idiot, and here am I, an idiot. So just make it to on trigger enter. The other game object, if it's player, just yeah. I know what. Has incorrect signature. What do you mean? On trigger enter. I don't see anything wrong. Oh, collider. Good. That makes sense. That makes sense. My bad. Okay, so now if it hits, what I can do is, we also do this. No, this, no. Now I need to do some testing with this, but no, this will work. Because if it's destroyed, it's done. Okay. Good thing I'm not making sure I have this in a list, so. But I do need to like check things. If it hits the player, I need to count it. That's a lot. That's a lot. So if it hits the wall, then I need to say that yo, it hit a wall and gone. But oh damn. Also, the speed will be so a bit fast. So yeah, there will be a lot of grinding in this game. Not gonna lie. So all I need to see is if it hits, I want to see the torch dead. My torch will be there. Just the particles will be dead. Good. Good. Perfect. So this works the way we needed. Okay. I was thinking about this. I can even make this as a Android game. Why not? Cause why not? Okay, this is actually going good. I can yeah, we can also do it as an Android version, but let's focus on PC because I can play the game then. And I have friends who mostly into PC games more than Android. So, I mean like mobile games. So yeah. I mean, also if I go to, I need to check a lot of the performance and things because I can't have the storage way too high for this game, because the way I have the level in my mind is kind of consuming space. I guess it's like storage. I'm not sure because I didn't create it. It's all free assets. Also, I have to check those license if I want to publish the game. So I have to do that, which I haven't yet done. Okay, for now this is great. This is perfect. Okay, going, getting hit and done. Now what I need to do is go to my player stats. So initially we have to give him some stats, his health, maybe speed. Do I need to work with speed because then it might get too messy? I don't know. Maybe we can also work with the speed. I don't mind having infinite speed. Also, there will be a lot of things like sabotage if it's multiplayer to make the game more fun. Like you can throw some sticky things and it will make the other guy like stop there for 2 seconds, something like that. So yeah, but I think of having that as a droppable rather than having it as a, how do I say, like a purchase from the shop thing, because then if it's a new player and it's like one guy who grinds that game, then he will have everything and the new player will not have anything. So that's something of a game design thing. Damn, I'm actually thinking about it. Wow. But yeah, this is like a freestyling project. The main idea I got from Terraria, the torchgod mini game. But yeah, after everything else, I'm kind of thinking of myself how to make this game even more engageable and stuff. I don't know how to go with multiplayer actually. Probably I can use Teams, but it's gonna be, I don't know how much it's gonna cost, but yeah. Also, should I become a game streamer? I also play video games. Why not just do that as well instead of just doing this? Because I know one thing for sure. More than this, I will get at least a few views in doing games. Probably, maybe, not sure though, not 100%. But yeah, maybe here and there someone will join. But yeah, this is too dry, man. Come on, someone talk with me, man. I'm bored. But damn, I've been talking a lot more to myself. Lonely, I am so lonely. I have somebody all of my own. Oh my god, the neighbors are gonna be like, what? Okay, so yeah, okay, time to work. So we have this basic thing set up. Now what we're gonna do is we need a health. Health, I have no idea how to do it. I can either give it like hearts, 3 hearts, but then it will have infinite again. Oh god, that will be a pain as well. I think multiplayer needs to be some kind of, yeah, everything should be a droppable, because I can't even have like health and have him go there with a like 10 health spear and a new guy will be with 3 years, like unfair over there. So I think multiplayer is fully gonna be like droppable. There will be things to dropping from the sky or somewhere. Okay. So what I am thinking of doing is we are gonna have a health. Okay, so you know what, I'm just talking. Let me do it. So let's serialize. No, I can't serialize because I will be changing this often. So we need a player manager where we need to have the stats as base. For now, let's just create a serialized field. You know, so this is gonna be a. No, this can't be serial. This has to be public. Public int player health. Okay, so this will have player health. Then I think it's a carrot. I think it's. Oh my god, I'm like that, to be honest. So now we will have health. So at initial stage, it's gonna be 3. So player setup is gonna be. What I'm gonna do is, okay, no, what I'm going to really do is create a player manager, because I'll have everything over there, and all the increment functions and upgrades will be. Oh, it should be there. Should I have it over there, player manager? Yeah, I need to. Yeah, since it's a player thing, I think having a create empty. So this is player manager, and here I'll have a script. Okay, so I'll have a player. Okay. Let's go to player manager, drop it there, open it. We are gonna create this as an instance, public static player manager instance, and void awake if instance instance double equal to null, then instance equal to this. Okay, so we got that instance over there. Great. So public int player health. So this is where we will have the player health. From here we will take it there. So if this is 5 or if this is something, whatever it is, it's going to be updated over there. So why I am doing this, because we can then only save these things. We don't have to care about what we have in player stats. We don't even need to care about this, because if we make a save system and if this is alone saved, whatever here, like the player health, so next time he plays, he will have the same thing. We don't even have to worry about it. So we can just call this in a setup function. So here I can say that player, not that. So if I just say player health is equal to player manager dot instance dot player health. That's it. So now whatever we do there, it will get inflicted. I mean, like, it will get over here. Simple. And every single time, every single round or map he goes, it gets updated. So yeah, he's not gonna, in a single player, is not gonna have this updates in between the game. He will only have it at the start. So yeah, that's one thing. Should I do it in the middle also? You know what, I can also call it middle later if I needed to, but for now I don't care about it. So for now, let's say his health is going to be 3. Okay, his health is going to be 3. That's it. And what I'm going to do now is, if okay, this is over here. So we need to set up some animations. We have a death animation. So where's my animator? Here he is. So death can happen from anywhere. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that, I don't know why I found it funny, but okay. So what we are going to do now is go open this. We are going to go combat. Gonna do this and Control D. Now many people can ask, like, why we are duplicating this? Why not just drag this and put this in? Okay, I have a simple one, because as this is coming from an asset, this is only read only. So as you can see, we can't do anything about this, which is inside this. But if you remove it and take it out, now you have editable animation, editable things over here in the animation clip. So that is why most, because when I started working in animation first, because I didn't have any mentor or anyone, so I just learned it all by myself. And at that time, I was stuck because I couldn't edit some animations. I was checking Sebastian Greaves' YouTube videos, and he had his own animations. Okay, so when he did it in a flow, it worked perfectly. But I was like, why can't I change anything? What happened? Oh, because I'm not him? What? So yeah, this was one of the reason. Okay, so that is why we are doing. So if it's like that, it's gonna be only readable. If you duplicate it, then you can edit it as well. So now that can, when we can die, we can die when we are idle, we can die when we jump. Yeah, actually we can die from anything. So we're gonna make transition from every single thing. Okay, boink boink boink, and there's no return. Okay, once dead. So let's have it over there. Now I am not sure which is the right way to have these animation, like, you know, the good way of keeping them, because I never really worked much with animations. To be honest, this is the first time I'm even working myself with a full 3D animation from the scratch with 3D, I mean, like moments as well, because every time I will use like the Unity 3D moment asset and I will just use it. But this is the first time I'm using it from the scratch. I've been creating the moment and then I've been having the animation set up everything myself. So that's good. Learning. So now I'm not gonna worry much about this because this is like a one-time thing. Maybe if I need it, I will later clear it, you know. But for now, this is good. And I also need to work on YouTube videos, man. I need to do devlogs. I'm not even doing any editing yet. This is like my second stream, but it's like the third day I'm working on this project. The first day is what I did with the basic moment, which I didn't stream, but I did record it. So I need to make a video about it, and then the stream 2 and 3 can be like a devlog 3, 2, 3. Yeah, that will probably get some views, you know. Maybe someone who's interested in this field can find me, who knows. Yeah, I also need to work in Java, man. I want to get good at coding as well. I mean, I'm decent with Unity, but you know, I want to get Java. Getting a job is hard, to be honest. Okay, so we need to get depth. So we just have a boolean, okay, called death, and every single one we have one condition. If death is true, die. That's it. Okay, perfect. So what I am going to do is, we have 3 chances. So I'm not going to do this in an update function, okay. I'm going to call a public void check players stats. Okay, I will probably change this name as well. Player like check. Okay, so if this is not going to be 0, right? No, I can't have this over here then. I need to have this over play. No. Oh, this is the bruh, I'm dumb. Okay, yeah. If player health double equal to 0, then we need to get the animator clip. Do I have the animator clip somewhere? I think I had it in the player. Yeah, I think I have it over here. I need to get it somehow. I think I need to have this player animation in my player manager, and from there I have to access to player and player stats. You know what, I think that will be the right way to do it. So now it's gonna give me ton of error, which is fine. So we're gonna do this. So we can give the player animation over here, then go back to player. So player manager dot instance dot is. So we just need to copy this, paste these, paste these and paste these. So now that should work, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, go to my player manager and drag and drop this so I can get that. So if I do a moment, it should work. Okay, yeah, it works. But sir, why you did? Why did you die? I never give you permission to die yet. Wait, was it true at first? What? How did it die? How did it die? Huh? How did it die? Bro, like, what? There's no way it should have died. Also, where's the conditions? What? What? Am I tripping? What? I don't have any conditions. Yeah, this is this. Oh, since I didn't give any condition. Wait, didn't I give any condition? Oh, you can't do it like select all and do it. You just need to do it one by one. Ah, damn! We need to do it one by one with hand. In a way, we can't do this fast. Okay, now I won't die though, because I just moved and did something and it just quickly connected over that. So yeah, now I can move. So yeah, no, it's not going good. So okay, so everything is working perfectly. Now what I'm gonna do, if player health is 0, then player animation. See, no, player manager. So player manager dot instance dot player animation dot set bool of death to true. Okay, so that's it. If it's true, that's it. Okay, only once it will happen if it's 0. So if it happens again, nothing will happen. And what I need to do is go to my, what should I do? I'm keep messing up. Okay, we need to go to flame. So we are destroying this. Now also what we need to do is player manager dot instance dot check. Oh, it's in player stats, not even in player manager. So what should I do then? Okay, so we need to get it as a variable. Damn, that is a pain. No, I don't need to get it as a thing, right? Do I need to? No. I mean, there is player manager. I can get the player manager over here. I definitely need to have that over here, to be honest. Player manager is just a manager. It has nothing to do with that. So this should have this public game object player. Yeah, you know what? This is player. Yeah, we need the player. Okay, so once we get the player, we will have the stats as well as that. So we're gonna control X this. We're gonna put it over here. This is not, yeah, this is player animation, that's it, but this is just true it. And this is not display health. Player dot get component of player stats. So we're gonna copy this, we're gonna paste it over here, and ta-dang! Now it works. So dot player health. If this is 0, then do this, because this is like we will be updating this every single time, so we should not mess with this one. And I guess this will give a death animation. Yeah, that will work. But how am I going to call it? So every single time something hits, instead of giving this in an update, we can just call it over here. So check player life. Okay, but before, okay, player manager. Okay. Oh my god. Excuse me. Oh my god. Okay, so before checking the player life, we need to first decrement the thing. So we are going to get a variable temp, which is nothing but player manager dot instance dot wait, I'm just doing it just like that. I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, yeah, player. So we are going to get player dot get component of player stats. Okay, so we're going to get the player stat. Do I need the player stat? Yes, because I'm going to reduce this one. Okay, so temp dot player health minus equal to 1 plus equals 1 means it adds minus minus. I can do minus minus, but still, is this the right one? Is this right? Also, I mean, like, I thinking maybe this will be only called once. Is there any chance this will be called twice? Like, the collider somehow, no, actually on ticket enter doesn't work that way, so that's good. Okay, you know what, nothing, everything is good. So now it checks player health and negative minus it, and then it checks player life. It checks if it's 0, then death, else good. Also, if this happens, I need to make sure that I can't move and stuff, which I will come to a bit later. Right now it's not important. So let's play it and see. So that's 2 1 2. I am sorry, that's my fault. Okay, so that's 1 2 3. Huh? Sir, are you not checking it? Oh, okay. Yeah, I know the problem. I mean, but no, it's not a problem. It should work. Wait. Why is it 0? It got minus 1 and it didn't work. But why is it 0 though? This is player health 3. At start, I'm setting up player health is equal to player manager dot instance. Yeah, it's correct. Also, this is going to be serialized field. I can't change. I'm not going to. Oh my god. What am I doing wrong? Because player health is 3 over here. Player stat health is 0, then okay, so in that case I need to make this as a public. I have now no choice there. So what I'm doing is player manager or instance or player or get component, from that get that component of play state and do minus. Okay, but why is not coming 3? This should work, right? player manager, for instance, player health. Player health is 3. Wait, did I do something wrong? Why is it 0? Okay, bruh. Okay, bruh. Okay, bruh. Okay. Real okay. So now it should work. I definitely need to increase the speed. Okay, that's 1. It's 2 and... Oh yeah, bro, oh yeah. But that was not 3, to be honest. That was way too slow. I'm just checking if everything's working good. So this is going to get 2, 1, 0. Oh, that, okay, that animation time had a few seconds, so I think I need to play with the animator then in that case. Okay, this should not have exit time. It should be instant. Because it's game over, buddy. It's game over. It's already too late. That's 1, 2. Huh? That was just 2. What? That is 1. Okay, that was 2. Okay. So yeah, now it's instant. Good. Great job. Great job. W game. I also have to, just for fun, what I'm gonna do is, once it's true, if player dot get component stats, so I need to get that one though. So player dot get component stats of player health. So I can do an attempt and get it because I kind of want to use the same thing again. You know what? Dot capsule. Wait, is the collider serialized field? Oh yes, it is indeed. You know what, for now I don't care about it. It's okay. So now this is good. And but turning it off would look cool, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna turn it off. Okay. Okay, so what I need to do now is now player dies and everything good. So yeah, what's next? I think we can work on the level now since the base gameplay is ready for level 1. So next is actually going to be me creating the level probably. So I think we can go find assets, work on it. Go here, go here. Yeah, I think this is done. This is pretty much completed. We just need a good level design now, which I am going to be good at it. You guys have no idea how good a level designer I am. And God, my cold. Okay, so let's go to Unity. Okay, Unity store. Let's go to Unity asset store. Okay. So now what we need is some 3D environment. So we have torches, so kind of like a night themed background as a skybox and maybe some dungeon based or anything. Okay, let's just go with our creativity, whatever I feel like, oh damn, this looks good, so we are going to use it. If I feel like it, I'm not going to like fix to a theme because really I'm doing a freestyle. I'm not like having anything like, this is my project, this is what we are going to do. No, I'm not like that. I'm actually fine with it. This is literally something I like, wow, this idea is actually good, so why not try it? So that is what I start. That's how I started it, you know, because it's fun. So yeah, this looks good. I mean, not like a wow or something, but yeah, this looks good. This looks absolutely good. Now people will be like, oh my god, but Speckles, how are you going to create with this? How are you going to get platforms? Don't tell me you're going to keep a flying rod. Okay, shut up. I know what I'm doing, okay? And I mean, I do like this, but you know, let's keep it. Why not? Let's keep it. I'm not saying I'm going to use it, but I will keep it for now. I'm kind of wanting a low poly. I don't want like a high graphics game. This is not a high graphics game, that's for sure. This is way too empty. Oh, atmospheric locations. This looks good. Oh, there's space theme. Now that gets me interesting. Now, do we have planets by any chance? If you say you have a planet, then I am closing my eyes and taking you. I don't think you have planets. But you do have spacecraft, okay. That's actually good. You know, we can also do like instead of people, you know, like the plain layer of platforms, we can do multiple different things. Oh, anime natural. This looks cute. Oh my god, this looks actually nice. I mean, we can't use this, but yeah, I just saw it and it was nice. Credits to people. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Look at this. Man, this is actually good. Oh, I also forgot to do a camera, cinematic camera. You know what? Before I do this, why not just quickly do that? That's actually way easier. So all we need to do is we have a camera. We have a main camera and we need a shade. I think we need to download that package. Not sure though which one it is. Is this Unity registry? Yeah. Cine Mission. You know, let's use Cine Mission. That's way too easy to do this with Cine Mission. All we need is just put that camera and done. That's it. Maybe, you know, do some settings, tweaking and stuff. But other than that, it's straightforward. You don't have to write any code. Let's just have a follow camera which like follows from one perspective and it just goes like that. That's perfect. So my thing is at first round that will be more than 100 torches, so that will be, I am probably thinking of creating something around like 100 and 200 torches, because you know, why not have multiple life. But yeah, but the hard mode will have only 100 torches. You have only 5 chances, because when you're at hard mode you will have a decent bit of health, probably 5. I'm not sure though. Maybe we can create how much ever you want. It's our game, bro. It's our game. So now we have Shiny Mission. We create a Shiny Mission camera. Okay, we hook it above or below. I'm not sure. I don't think even that matters. So we have a brain now. Good for it. Which I don't have one. So now tracking target. So I want you to track. Wait, what? Yeah, I want you to track my human. So if we should have the game view actually. Excuse me, oh my god. So okay, so what I'm gonna do is position control. It's not a third person follow, it's not an orbital flow. I think it's hard look. Oh, lock to target. No. Third person follow is also no. Spine dolly? No, I don't think so. I think it's this one though. Sorry, hard lock at this, then hard look at. So if we do that, it will say where I should look, right? The camera is trying to look at itself. Please check your target and holy. Oh damn, this is a lot to take in. Okay, what if I have follow? And here I have hard look at. Yeah, so if I play it, now I will be looking at this guy. I will change this position a bit, but I just want to make sure that. So yeah, now it's good. Now it's a bit of like okay-ish thing. I need to like positioned it perfectly. So what does this do? Nothing. This? Oh, okay. Okay, this has the center, which is probably not what we need. I think I need to put this. I mean, that actually already fixed the things. So this will be the player view. So yeah. Yeah, it's looking good actually. It's looking pretty decent. Yeah, and he dies. And he can still there's no okay, so he did the death animation. Okay, that's nice. Now noises, basic. Nah, I don't need noise. Holy, I'm getting some messages. What am I? Oh, Dwabs is messaging me live right now. Yes. Wait, is he messaging me in Discord by any chance? Let me check it. One hour max is. Wait, let me check my Discord. Where's my Discord? Did it open? No, it didn't even open. What? Where's my Discord? Huh? Just a second, guys. Just a second. Everything is looking good. There's no Discord. Oh, there's Discord over here. Delete. Close it. Open Discord again. Okay, my Discord is not opening. Okay, it's opening now. Damn. Okay, so now what we have to do is we actually made the camera look like this, but it's not really perfect, because what I personally feel like, as you move, you kind of see like a little tilting in that in a camera, which is kind of I mean, like, it's okay-ish, but maybe I think I need to change it. It's kind of like meh, meh, something like that. It's not like really the best, so I'm not also not willing to do like 100% lock-in. You know, like the blend mode. Lock to target. Target no roll. Target build up. Because if we do this 000, now it will be like straight looking at it. I kind of like that, you know, that point things of it going. Yeah, now it's literally straight. There's nothing weird. But actually, this looks good for some reason. You know what? I'll keep it like this for now. Maybe if I need it, I'll change the damping later. So yeah, that's completed with the camera for now. I'm not gonna worry too much about the camera for now. Let's do it later. Not right now. So I'm thinking maybe we can go with the you know, medieval themed market setting. Yeah, this is in my top right. You know, I can use this. This is okay-ish, but this actually looks good. Now the real question is, can I use it for commercial? Vanilla, oh, whoa, oh, it's not compatible built-in. Yeah, it's compatible URP, good thing. I do most in URP. I don't use HDRP. Maybe I need to use HDRP as well, but yeah, for now it's looking good. So then we can go with stylish house. Oh my god, this kind of gives me like you know, pleasant what I mean, like what game it was, Little Nightmares vibe. Kind of see, I can see like potential in this as well, but it's not a low poly, which won't go well with my. Oh, and it is compatible for me. Okay, it's actually good, but it's kind of too detailed, which I'm not liking it. Well, what else we do here? Do we have a dungeon? Yeah, we also might need to have a dungeon. Dungeon will be way too easy. You know, you can literally cover up the walls easily. You don't have to worry too much about the design. All you have to do is place things in a way that it won't look repetitive, but also like not too congested. But yeah, you know, it's good enough to be called as a dungeon. So yeah, that's one thing. And I can sci-fi, but looks too polished now. I'm trying to go with mostly with low poly. I mean, I'm not really restricted, but since my character's low poly, I'll go with low poly. But yeah, you can also be creative and go with something to make it look different. But for the first level, at least I'll try to go with a low poly to make it easy, because everything will look good then. But yeah, even finding a skybox will be kind of easy for it. Oh, we can also have traps. Okay, that gives me another idea. So, okay, that's good. Okay, actually freestyling this is actually good. Not gonna lie. But there are much props. It's okay. It's okay. Let's save it for now. I'm just gonna like see through everything, most of the things, and see which will be better. So yeah, so I'm just basically focusing on one level, and once that's done, let's move on to the next, because there will only be 3 levels for now. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! What is this? What is this? Wow! Oh my god! Like what? This looks good. Wow. But is this slow? I mean, it looks poly art, so. Wow. This actually looks good. I'll have it as well. Oh my god, this also looks cute. But I don't think it will suit our theme. Maybe it will suit, but nah. Simple urban city. I mean, this will actually go with our theme. I mean, the character, but do I need a city? I mean, I kinda have ideas to go with a city, but I don't think I want to go that. So this looks good though. But the only thing I am feeling is like I don't want to keep the roads above like a platform. That I don't see there's a good logic behind it. So I don't think I'll go with that. So anything else? Locally baker's house. Is it just a house, or will you have some more things? And I think it's just like this one thing, so I'm not going. Oh, a winter theme. That looks good as well. Wow. I mean, it looks basic, but I think this can be like a good level design thing. It actually looks good. It looks like there's not much, but also there's enough. I don't know how to express it in words, but yeah, this looks kind of nice. But I'm thinking of going terrain based if this is what I'm looking for, but I don't want to go terrain based. I'll tell you why I don't want to go terrain based when I come to that part, but yeah. Is there anything else? Yeah, this is a dungeon, okay. Oh, this is like a detailed dungeon with some props. Oh, this also looks good. Oh, this looks sick. Oh my god, there is a lot of potential. Bro, there's no way he's giving all this for free. Kind of wonderful. What? Oh, demo scene is also included. You read more about our assets. That's actually good. Unity plugins are available in Unity desktop, models are available in blah blah blah. Instruction, yes, you're allowed to use some models and plugins in your commercial game. That's, this is a lot of potential. Like what? Bro, this actually looks good. Now the real question is, can I make something like this? Yeah, that's that's a different question, okay? But this looks sick. Well, yeah, he has the stats and everything. You know what? This goes to my first priority, okay? I'm just gonna like sort a thing. I don't need this. No, don't need this. Yeah, I will have this as my second, this as my third for now. I don't. This is too this and this is too basic. Too basic. Oh, this looks nothing when I compare with this, man. This and yeah, so right now let's have those. I'll just see if there's anything else there. But damn, I already fixed my mind on this because it looks so good. Hmm. Anything else? Nope, not there. Nope. Oh, there is a sci-fi. Wait, sci-fi is something I like. I like sci-fi things. Ooh, this looks good, but I don't think it will match my theme. But yeah, this is something looks good. I'll have it at the last for now. And anything else? I'm also not like looking for right now. I'm also like seeing if there's any potential for me to use later for the project, because there's going to be 3 levels. So I actually don't want to repeat all the same levels in all the 3 difficulties. So that's why I'm like looking for, like, maybe I can use this in my next level, if maybe, or even right now I can use some props in my current level. So yeah, just looking at potential things. Kinda look nice as well. I like this, but it's way too of simple color. Nah, I don't think so. Colorful city. This is also. I don't want to go to the city because if I want to go to the city, there will be roads, man, and I don't want to keep the road as a platform. That would be super weird if you have a road above, like platforms are roads. So nah, I'm not gonna do that. So something, maybe I can work with like a single house, having a single house, having multiple floors, that can work. That makes sense actually. I mean, even if you don't have like stairs to go there, like, that makes sense. Okay, that's a house, maybe there's a stairs somewhere not inside the screen. So that makes sense. But roads, nah, I don't man, I don't. Oh wow, this looks awesome. Oh, he just made it for an environment. This actually looks good. Who made this? These guys are actually good. Oh wow. Okay, this is getting sidetracked. Okay, no, but that's actually good. Not gonna lie. So a diner table. Okay, I think I'm fixed with this. Looks good. But yes, now the next question is how I'm going to design it. I have no idea. I'm just going to freestyle. I'm just going to keep one by things and see where it goes, and you know. But for the base, it looks decent enough. Oh, Japan theme. I like this. But I can't use this for the game again. This is. Wow. It looks simple and nice, not gonna lie. God, this remind me of Wizard 101. Not gonna. That is a Mushi Island. No, what was the island name? It looks kind of similar to that. It's just nice. Model of Fantasy Castle Pack demo. This looks good, but it's too high poly, I guess. It's not low poly. I mean, it kind of. Oh my god, this actually looks good. Oh wow. But I don't think this will suit my thing right now. Maybe I'll use the props here and there, but I'm not sure whether this will work with mine. But yeah. And also, file size is way too low. What? Maybe this is low poly. I'm just being not knowing it. Damn, that is a lot of Nice assets for free. Wow. Oh, there's also a Halloween pack. That's nice. Oh. Now you may ask, like, what, Speckles? I mean, you have been chosen all. Like, you said a lot of nice things. Why don't you just save it? But, because I have to log in, and I'm too lazy to even do that. I don't even know why I'm lazy to just press one button. But yeah, I'm lazy for it. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with thing because I'm not seeing anything, you know, good which will. I mean, like, these are like totally for different games. I don't think my game will. I don't want to make my current game into this. So yes, so I am going to go with this one. We are going to add to. Okay, anyways, now I need to press the button. Now it will connect to my account. God damn it. Okay, just a second. Continue with Google. I think I can use my Google account, right? I don't even have an account in this. This is a little my new Gmail account which I just created for YouTube. Ha. Also, how was my Twitch going? Right, but I still but try something went wrong. Please try again later. What? Bro, there's no way because I don't even remember the asset name. I mean, I can find it now. Can I like log in? Okay, it's logged in, but it's gone. It's gone. So 3D environment, and we're gonna get it. Gonna have the free one. I should have seen the developer name, man. Been easy. It's not that, not that, not this. Did I even see this? Oh yeah, I did see that. But yeah. So wait, am I looking at the same thing again? Feels like I'm looking at the same one which I just scrolled. And yes, I did see. Okay. Okay, this one I definitely saw this. So it's gonna be somewhere here. Right? Oh yeah, this one. Is this the one? Yep, this is the one. So if I'm going to just like save favorites, I don't know why not. Also, let's see what else do they have. Do they just have this one? Oh, they have like roads. Oh, they have a lot of nice and polished stuff. Oh, they also have like some tools which can help. But yeah, we are here for this. Take it. Add my assets. Accept. Now it's time to level. Design the level. Open in Unity. Open Unity editor. Polyod engine village. Yep. Was it? Yep, it was. So actually the prototype is going to be oversewn. Then I need to polish the movements a bit. And some like I need to turn on colliders a bit. Yeah, just like the fixing a few bugs and stuff. But other than that, the base prototype is going to be over. I mean, like the mechanism is already done. All I need to do, I mean, I still need to work on the upgrade system, which I'm not going to do it right away. Maybe later, but yeah, that's there. Let's import it. Hope, yeah, it's 2.19 higher. It will work for me. Okay, that is import. Let's import this. Compressing. That's gonna take a while, damn. Was it like 600 MB? How much was it? Yeah, I'm fine with. Oh, it's 300. That's fine. Okay, perfect. Okay, now where do I start? Okay, let's start with the floor. Let's keep a floor and then let's move with that. So I don't need an inspector for now. And let these things load a bit. Wait, that's it? Okay. Extras, bamboos, light resources, mountain. Okay, these are like the mountain rocks. These are light resources. And these are just some extras. These are bamboos. Okay, so we don't have a land. Wait. Wait. But what? I downloaded the wrong thing. Damn. Wow. I literally downloaded the wrong thing. There's no way I downloaded the wrong thing. I was like, wait, this is not what I wanted. Demo assets. I'm really sad. This is not what I wanted. My bad, my bad, guys. I didn't see it. Remove. Also, why is the button so small? Okay, that has been removed because I wanted this one. Oh my god, I don't know why I gave that. Okay, so this is what I need. Yeah, ultimate low poly, broken vector. Yeah, accept. Let's download this. And we can import 2.0. Yes. Okay, how is my Twitch? Is my Twitch working? Yep, Twitch is good. So let's import it. So I think I will do the level. At least I'll try to complete it with this stream. So I want to do more progress, man. This is like way too small. Okay, why did this open? I didn't even want that to open. Okay, so now we have broken vector, low poly, and now we have the prefabs. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Okay, so rendering. We go to render pipeline converter. We press these two. We initialize convert, initialize and convert, and now it should be good. Yippee! Perfect. Oh my god, I'm already having a ton of ideas to create the level. Let's just hope it looks good. Okay, so for the flooring, what is this? I want to see what these are first. Okay. Okay. Now, more or less, this is going to be the same. Okay, I'm not going to like keep any stairs that player can walk. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to have a plane for them. The level design is going to be totally different. Okay, but for now, what is this? Oh, see, this is what I'm saying. But if you look from this, it's like that. Why? I don't know. For something, there is some option will be there, which I don't remember. There is something called as like can turn it back. I totally forgot how to do that. Yeah, if I do it, oh no, shadow only, no, two-sided. That is something. I know that is something. Oh, I need to do with this object then. Okay, let's just. Oh, this is a lot. So if I can't see this side, and which one was it? I don't remember. Wait, let me remove this. Remove this. Yeah, bruh, I keep forgetting. Okay, this one. Okay, there is that. Okay, so if I click this, if I do shadows only, if I do it on, off. There's something okay, this is two-sided. If I go here, it's what's happening? Okay, that is lightning. I don't even know why I was missing with that. Okay. Maybe I need to work with the models in. Oh yeah, I need to look at the models. Why was I looking at the prefab? But damn. Okay, let's put this over here. And now if I go here to model, there will be something called here which can help me. Dex format, no. I know there is like a two-side or something like that. I don't remember where it was, but where was it? Is it in the material? No, this is not what I wanted. Okay, I think I'll find it as time goes. It's taking too long. Okay, so what are we working with? You know what? Let's first go here. Let's first go here and place all the stuff which we have. Okay, that is that. That is that. Oh my god, I love this already, but the thing is I can't see it from below. Why? You're a good asset. Why do you like this? Okay, there is some method to, see both sides, but I totally forgot how. Maybe I need to like YouTube that, but yeah, for now, like it's fine. I can see what it is, so it's not a problem. No, okay, that is that. This is this. This is like the corner of those, which is okay. Okay, that is two different. What? Oh, that is short one. That is long one. I have the short one over there. So, oh, break. Never mind. There's like also a roof over here. I see potentials. Oh, there's also like a small shrine like thing. Damn. And this is like a tunnel system, right? Wow. This is actually nice. But I know one thing for sure, my camera will go here. Because it will look from the character. So if it's like it, the camera will be buggy. So I don't think, I mean, I need to change a few things in order to make it work. But I'd rather do with new things. So this is like a staircase. Yeah, this is a staircase. Nice. So yeah, this is good. So for the base, I'm thinking of going with these two. Okay, so how am I going to do that? You may ask, which even I have had no answer for that. Let's reset this transform. Let's reset this transform because we are going to. Actually, I shouldn't reset it like that. I need to do this. Put an empty parent. Just objects. Okay. Now I duplicate these. Put this out. Duplicate these, and I will put this out. And I will now reset these two. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna move this one. I'm just gonna take it. Okay, this might have to be good because if not, things will feel bad. Now I'm just gonna like freestyle and see whatever suits. I'm just gonna do a mix of things and see. But yeah, this may not even come good. Wait, let me. I shouldn't just like that drag and drop things. So this is -4, meaning this should also be -4. This is 0 0. This is 4. So this is also 4. This is 4. 4. 4. I'll also remove these for now. There are gaps which I don't like. This is gonna be there be anything which will look good? What is these two? These are like is this like a roof? No. Oh yeah, it's kind of, but only we can see from blue, so I don't need that for here. What does this do? I don't need it as well. Okay, so more like it starts from wood and it goes to stone. That's what I'm kind of looking for over here. It's coming quite okay, not bad, because still things are starting to get like this, so kinda like to have more tile options, not gonna lie. And let's just duplicate this and 20. Yeah, that could work. That should work for now. It's 24 and this is gonna be 4. Oh, minus 4. Control D minus 24. That's okay. Now what is this? Okay, so that is that. Okay, let's just work with this flooring first. So there are pillars. Okay, what else? Okay, we need to go back to our place. Yeah, also, can you move bit away? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So, next, what can be the props we can use? There is doors. And a wooden doors. Okay, I shouldn't be like this. I should start from here. So there are small pillars. There are some balcony things. There are some walls like this. Okay. And there are more walls. Okay, I'm not looking for walls. I want to things which I can keep in the room. So there is that door. There is that door. There's also this door. The thing is, they are both the same. Just the side is different. Okay. So there are these doors. Okay, again the sides are different. Yeah, so I don't need much. There is one. Oh, that is big doors. Damn. These things are way big. There's also the other side, which means I don't need this. And there are big walls. I don't need walls right now. What are these? So these are some fins. These are another type of fins. There are some pillars. Okay, where was the pillars? There's one pillar over here. So there is this pillar. There are broken doors. Oh, this is like a locked cage or something nice. Yeah, okay. So these are the stuff we can work with. So it starts with wood. So I'm thinking of maybe using these. Okay, now before I do that, okay, from here to here, why don't you guys go inside the test objects? Thank you. So from here to here, it's just this. Great. Also, I'm thinking of creating an empty game object for this as well. I don't really like it to be like this. Damn, it's too not good. So I can create an empty parent and I can create first. So this is ground floor actually. Okay, so we need to decorate this accordingly because why not? And so that is big doors. Just give me that, put it outside and get that. And okay, so okay, so that is few ways I am planning to do this. One, I want the entrance to be somewhere which players can see. Can have multiple entrance, so I don't mind that. So okay, so first we need to let's create a hole. So it's minus 18. Okay, this goes here, and this should be minus 20. Hey, what? Wait, what? This is minus 8. Yeah, this is what I did. Oh, I see. So oh god, I shouldn't have done this. I should have kept it till the end, and then I should have. That would be nice, so I could have seen it easily, which is a problem now since I have it like this. I really shouldn't have done that. Okay, what happens if I just remove everything from that? I just want to see. No, and I put it in test objects. God damn. Can I like come out? Thank you. So if I press this, it's gonna be 12. So this is good be 18. No, 16. Okay, great. It's correct. It's correct. It's correct. It's correct. So I'm gonna now move this over here. So let's just do minus 16, and you're minus 16. So it's literally opposite. Okay. There aren't much of a wood walls to make it look good, so yeah, maybe. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna duplicate this again. So yeah, we need to do it one by one then. Okay, so this looks like the player came from here. How should I open? What if I do this? If I open this, what happens? It's kind of blocking that thing, which is not even showing like it's open. So I think going with this is way more of a good idea. Yeah. Okay. So next, I have to work with the walls. No, I haven't finished things. Okay, that is two things I can do it here. Since this is a wood, I kind of messed up. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, that's something. Because I didn't plan this, so this is just me freestyling things. Yeah, okay, so this is from there. So I need to play with the walls a bit. What walls do we have? The center is messed up, not gonna lie. This is way too much of a problem. Now I can't do this because that doesn't go well with that, so I need to do something which will go good with that. What is a clutter? Oh, there are these things, okay, but I'm just looking for a wall first. Keeping props is kind of easy than doing this, because this is the main level. I can then decorate it later. Okay, this is way too plain. Do I have something like there is this, but I kind of want it with a stone wall. There is also this which I can use later. I mean, oh, there it is. Okay, this is what I was looking for. There is that. There is big ones which I don't need, and there's also something we can do it if you want for us. Good, but I think this will fit perfectly. All I have to do is turn it to 180 down to 180 degrees. And just move it over here, I guess. So that's something, because I'm not going to look from that side. We are just going to have a view from this view. So minus 18 minus, oh my god, minus 20. So yeah, that's that. Oh, this is not center, right? Yeah, this is not center. This is no, this is not center as well. This is center. Is this the center? Oh yeah, this is the center. So I need to align these accordingly. Then can you like not be like this, so I can well, looking decent. I'm not gonna say it's super good, but yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Nice. You know, we are just starting, so it's not a problem for me. Also, can you go there? I don't need you there. Okay, I actually need to see how to make it double sided, because is it not two-sided? We can. I mean, I totally forgot how to do that. I do know there is a way we can fix that, because I did once. It's been like so long, but not sure. I kept for generate colliders. No, optimize GPU performance. Okay. Radar right. Mesh compression. Higher compression ratio means lower mesh precision. If enable the mesh bounce and the lower bit depth per component are used, compress mesh data sort. You know, let's actually Google this, because I actually not sure about this. Unity mesh only one side visible. Okay. So yeah, this is what we are having the same problem. So I change the shader to sprite default like hey. This is completely normal behavior. It's called backface culling. Yeah, how do I turn it off or turn it on? And it's the most common graphic optimization used by video cards. And now, do I need to optimize? I don't think I need to optimize it. So that's that. Every face has a normal value, which defines the vector pointing directly out of the face, as well as being used in several. Okay. It's also used by camera to determine whether the face is questioned. Okay, that's not good. There are two solutions to the problem. The first is to find or modify shader which doesn't remove back faces. This is not the best of plans, since it will probably double the amount of rendering that needs to be done for no real advantage. The second option, which I would recommend, is that you model all your meshes to have two sides. Okay. That's a plane. Okay. So wait, wasn't there an option over here though? They didn't even mention anything about here, because I do highly know that there was an option here which I can use it to change it. Because I remember doing something like that. Oh, found it. Found it. Found it. Oh, okay. Now I see why he did it after that. Okay, now that makes sense. Okay, now it really makes sense why it was just fully outside. Because there's nothing over here. Okay, so that makes sense. Yeah. I totally okay. We need to do it in the shader, but yeah, we don't even need it. We just it's fine to have it in front. I mean, it's good for optimization. Maybe I need to work my level with this. But for things like these, okay, especially things like, where is that? I know you're somewhere over here. Yeah, for these, having two sets is actually good. No, right? Like, yeah, these are not planned, I guess. But yeah, this is okay. I mean, I can't say anything different because I'm not going to see it over here, so. But it gives a good look. Okay. So now again, those are not what I needed right now. The thing is, yeah, these are something I wanted to work. Yeah. Okay, for some reason it works now, but it didn't work before. Oh, if you do it for everything, then that is a thing. Okay, you know what? We fixed it. That's all it matters. Things are fixed. Good. Let's remove this. Okay, so next what I need is I need some walls. Okay, this side is way more this side is the detailed one. I need to make sure not to mess with this because that will make the project look bad. But the center is actually not good. Why is the center over here? Why is it not there? Is there like a reason they made it like this, the asset? I don't know. Bro, why did they create the asset like this? I mean, I'm not complaining, it's good, but pretty okay-ish. Okay. So what else do we have? What are we working with? Okay, actually thinking about it right now, that even this won't make sense without any stars. But let's assume the character has some superpowers. Okay. But yeah, imagine he's just jumping from one floor to the other floor. That's not normal. But that's the point of the game. So I'm not going to be too worried about it. So we need to fix this gap. Also extend this one. Now how do I plan to do this? I can either short this and create something over there to move, because I don't want to make this a fill symmetry. I don't like fill symmetries, so I'm thinking of maybe have this, which is at the wrong. No, I can't have this because I had that over there, so I need to look for something else. I can either have a plain wall or a plain wall or another. No. Oh my god. So plain walls are not good. What the hell? Why is this a thing? Cancel. Thank you. Okay then. Oh my god, I think I finished the base, but I'm very hungry. I think I'm gonna, close the stream for now. Maybe I'll later today I will again stream again and continue this level. Yeah. Till that, see you guys. Bye bye.